Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dogg, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block we got seasonings. And with these seasonings, I'm going to be showing you how to make the best taco seasoning ever on YouTube. So let's jump right into it. Let me show you some of these seasonings. Alright, I'm about to come around here. So, right here we have some black pepper. We have some cilantro leaves. We have some cinnamon, ground cinnamon. Down here laying down because I don't want to block your view. This is pink sea salt. Then we'll start over here with the red pepper flakes. We have oregano. We have celery salt. We have chili powder. We have granulated onion. Have granulated garlic. We have some grounded cumin seeds. And right here is going to kick it up a notch. Smoked paprika. Alright. Now, I was going to use some kosher salt, but I changed my mind on that. Alright. So, right here is some sugar. This is like a teaspoon of sugar. Alright. So, I'm going to put this kosher salt to the side. So, let me move this to the side for a little bit here. Now, these are seasoning pack I bought at Walmart. They're like 69 cents a piece. Now, this is something on the fly I normally do, okay? But I ran out a lot of taco seasoning, and I love mine better than all of this other stuff. You know, like especially like the El Paso, old El Paso. I have that one. I have a fajita season by Ortega. Okay, they good, and I ain't have no problem with them. But I like my season blend way better. So I'm going to be using this container right here. As you can see, it's empty. And I'm going to mix it up in this bowl. Alright? So, let's jump right into it. We're going to come in with some, let's get the chili. I like to do the chili powder first. We're going to come with like 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of that, tablespoon of this paprika, smoked paprika, just like that. Cumin, we're going to come with 2 of those. 1, 2. Alright. Garlic, we're going to come with 1 of those. These are tablespoons, okay, when I say of those. Alright. Alright, granulated onion, we're going to come with 2 of those. Okay, we got some salt right here. This pink sea salt. We got to put some flavor in it, right? So let's go with tablespoon. I don't like a lot of salt. I mean, you can always eyeball it or whatever the case may be, but I don't want to see because I got some salt here too for the celery salt. So we're going to cover with a tablespoon of that, just like that. Put that to the side. Let's see what else. We got some black pepper. Open that up. One tablespoon of that. Just like that. Okay, we got the oregano. 1, 2 of that. these seeds right here, these pepper flakes, we're just gonna go with a half teaspoon of that. Right there, okay? I don't want mine too spicy, so that's why I went with that. If you want yours a little bit more spicy, then you go ahead and put as much as you want as yours in it, okay? So here's the teaspoon of sugar. We're gonna put that in there. All right, we got cinnamon. We're gonna go with like half a teaspoon of this. Just like that. Trust me guys, make this recipe. This is gonna be a seller. I'm gonna sell this one day. All right, this is cilantro leaves. We're gonna go with a teaspoon. All right, sorry about that. That was my brother calling me. All right, guys. I think that's all that we needed. So you can mix this up just like this. Now I'm just doing this right now in this thing, but how I'm really gonna mix it up is in this container. So you're gonna use funnels. So yes, I do have a funnel. So we're gonna put the funnel in there. Make sure this stuff is ready to go. Pour it up in here. And when I tell you, you ain't gotta worry about buying no seasoning for a while. You don't. Trust and believe. So I'm just gonna put that in here. So if you want to make like fill the thing all the way up, then you probably want to do 3 times as much, because it's like a quarter of this. So, but I suggest you shaking it up every time you do it. Okay. So this is what you want to do. Shake it up, mix it up well, and there you go. You have taco seasoning, Dogg taco seasoning all day, every day. Winner, chicken dinner, all day. I'm gonna give that a taste. Yes, we even taste the seasoning. Oh yeah, that tastes real good. But okay, I said I put that salt. I'm gonna put a little bit more salt in mine. Normally I'll make that much. So let's see what we said. Tablespoon. So we're gonna go with another tablespoon. You gotta have some salt in it. The flavor is there all day. Shake that up. That's it. I don't even want to put nothing else in it. I already know how it tastes now. Right on point. Right on point, guys. That is super good. And so make sure you guys tune in, because I'm going to be using this to make some chicken tacos. So I just want to show you guys a quick heads up on this first. So make sure you watch that chicken tacos, okay guys? And please tell all your friends and family to tune in to Dogg's Kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. And make sure you guys, please hit that bell so you too can be notified when I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in Dogg's Kitchen. Let's get cooking.